GMP versus food safety, what most people get wrong. Food safety and GMP. Most people think they are the same thing. They are not. And misunderstanding this is where standards start to fall apart. Food safety is simple. It focuses on one goal, making food safe to eat. That means controlling bacteria, chemicals, physical hazards. Cooking, chilling, avoiding cross-contamination. That's food safety. But GMP, good manufacturing practice, is much bigger. GMP is the system behind the safety. It's everything that creates the environment where safe food is even possible. Think about it. You can teach someone to cook chicken to 75 degrees Celsius for 30 seconds, but if the equipment is dirty, the layout causes cross-contamination, staff aren't trained, cleaning isn't controlled, suppliers aren't approved, then food safety will fail anyway, because food safety doesn't exist on its own. It sits on top of GMP. GMP includes personal hygiene, cleaning and sanitation, equipment design, pest control, supplier control, training, maintenance, documentation. It's the foundation. Without it, food safety becomes guesswork. This is why audits don't just look at temperatures. They look at systems, because you can hit every temperature and still produce unsafe food. So here's the key difference. Food safety is what you're trying to achieve. GMP is how you make it possible. One is the outcome, the other is the system. And if your GMP is weak, no amount of checking temperatures will save you, because safe food is not created at the end. It's built into the process from the very beginning.